What is up, guys? It is your girl back with another tutorial. I am so excited to bring my first 2019 tutorial. I'm actually going to be reviewing and giving you guys a first impression of a cleanser, a facial cleanser, brush, massager, thingamajig. It was actually sent to me by a company called Glamfields. They reached out to me. They wanted me to review their product, and I was more than happy to try this out for many reasons. First of all, I don't own any brush facial cleanser, and I just thought it would be cool to actually review one and to see how it works with my skin, being that I do have sensitive skin. I also have dry skin as well. Now, this is what was sent to me. This is the facial cleansing massager, and I'm definitely going to dig into this. I have not actually read up on it. I haven't done any research. I have not even seen what's inside because I wanted you guys to see what's my actual first impression, what I think about it, what I feel about it, what's gonna happen when I use it. So I'm obviously gonna take this full face of makeup off with you guys, and you guys are going to basically be getting unready with me. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this product. I'm really excited because I also want to take this damn makeup off, okay? So this is the facial cleansing massager by Glamfields. It says it has 3 brush heads and are exchangeable as you need. Let's see how great that's going to be for myself with my very dry skin and my very sensitive skin as well. So it says, I guess all these 3 different types of brush heads, they do something different. So it says the first one is exfoliating brush head. The second one is ultra soft brush head, which is probably the one that I'm really going to like. And then the next one is the natural sponge brush head. Okay, and this is the base. So I guess that's where you kind of lock it in. And don't just let it, run around with all your other stuff and get it all dirty and whatnot. Now, it says that this is good for preventing acne, removing dead skin, fading spots, smoothing wrinkling, and enhancing elasticity. Ooh, I'm all about that. I'm turning the dirty 30, and I swear I'm constantly looking in my face, looking to see anywhere around my eyes. Are there any wrinkles, girl? Anything? And for some reason, I have been seeing my pores are just getting larger and larger by the minute. Maybe this is definitely going to help. I don't own an actual facial cleansing brush. I do own the Solo Mio. If you guys have not seen that tutorial, I'm more than happy to link it up here for you guys. But I'm really excited to see if this really gets all the dirt out of my face, all just kind of tightens everything and gets everything out. Kind of that. Yeah. So we're going to actually go ahead and open this. This is my first time ever opening it. My first time ever checking it out. So what you see is what you're going to get. This is real life reaction, mi gente. So we're opening this thing. It's pretty cool. All right. Anything else am I missing? Oh, cool. It says it has a charging via USB, so I can charge it. That's amazing. Technically, I don't have to buy batteries. Now, I am such a cheapo, anything that requires batteries, I'm like, no. It's I have to be committed to the product. So, this is what it, coño. Let's put that back in. That is what it looks like. Here you go. You have the actual, what's this thing called? The brush. So here you go. You have your brush. You have your different types of brush heads. There's one already in it. And then you have your charger. And I guess this is where you put the, kind of where you stand it up. So this is pretty neat. Okay. Let's see if this is travel friendly. I do travel a lot. I do have my own makeup bag that I love to take with me all the time when I travel. It's nice and so the brush head that it already comes intact with. This one is the exfoliating brush head. So what I would probably do is I would obviously remove my makeup. Then I will go in, I would remove my makeup maybe with one of these. Oh, this is really soft. This is really soft. I guess this is a soft one, right? I'll remove it with this one. Go in with this one to exfoliate it with my actual exfoliator that I have as well. Ooh, we's about to have some fun. And then this one is, I don't know. This one feels like a magic eraser. So I don't know what this is going to do to my face. Is it going to buff it? Is it going to shine it? You know when you wash your car and you kind of have to put the little shine on top of it? I feel like that's what it's going to do to me. There's a little button right here where you can obviously turn it on and off. That was weird. It didn't turn off the minute I pushed it. So you turn it on. Oh, it goes faster. So I guess it has 2 different types of settings. So it's kind of the low one and then the high one. That's neat. Okay, right here is where you can charge it, which is a little USB. Let's see what else it says, because I really want to make sure I'm using this correctly. Okay. Dear customer, thank you for choosing. Charging, of course, you can charge it. So the first one we're going to use is the Ultra Soft Brush Head, which is this one. This is really soft, actually. I really like that. And then, or the Natural Sponge Head, according to your needs, and install the brush head onto the connection pin. Moisten your face with warm water, okay? And then you're going to moisten the brush head with warm water as well. So I'm going to use whichever brush head I like. Then I'm going to water my face. I'm not gonna moisten, I'm gonna water my face, and then I'm going to water the brush head, and then I'm going to squeeze whatever facial cleanser onto the brush, and then we're going to start going in circular motions. It says from your forehead slowly down to the left to the right, and then clean the forehead gently for 15 seconds. I do know that because with my Solo Mio, you have to basically go kind of like in circular motions where you're going like this down, and then when you're coming from like your cheek, you're going upward because we want to lift everything up because we're getting old. Do you know what I mean? Next, you're going to go around your nose area. Then you're obviously going to go ahead and wipe your face and stuff. I like this. And it's pretty neat because it tells you right here like how to use the brush. Guys, so before we actually go and, you know, remove all of this makeup, I do want to let you guys know you can find this product on Amazon. I am more than happy to link everything down below for you guys. And this is literally like $20, $19.99 for that same exact one. Now they do have another version of it. It's just in black. It's going for $20.99, just $1 extra. And the black one is pretty nice, to be quite honest. It is really nice. I like that one too. All right, guys, so we are in the bathroom. I am going to wet my face. Then I am going to go in with, I'm gonna change this one because it's not the one I want to use right now. It's very easy to actually change. You just kind of like screw it in, screw it out, take it out. So that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna go in with the soft one first, and then we're going to take the exfoliator. I'll figure out what to do with the other one. I'll be right back with the wet face. Facial cleanser that I will be using for this tutorial is going to be the Garnier Skin Active. I feel like I said that wrong. Garnier, whatever. Soothing Cleansing Milk. It is made with rose water. That's exactly the reason why I purchased it. But if I'm being quite honest, I don't like this thing. But I mean, I still have like a decent amount left. So whatever is left, I'm just going to use it because I'm not going to toss it, okay? That's money down the drain. That's not going to happen. So I am actually going to apply this as so, right on the brush, a decent fair amount because I did not use a makeup remover wipe because I don't have any. So let's see how good this is at like removing my entire makeup, cleaning my face. Let's get ready for bed, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push that button, and I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. Here we go. I know I'm supposed to go kind of like upward. Ooh. I can see like my makeup. Ooh, that's getting real dirty. It's nice and soft on the face. It's like buffing my face. That's how it feels. It doesn't feel rough. It feels really nice. I know I'm supposed to kind of do like 15 seconds, but this is a first trial. I never know how to use these things like on the first go. I feel like it's cleaning my face. I don't know. I'm not too sure. I don't know if it's really like getting in there, or maybe I just don't know how to use it. So I'm not pushing it too harsh on my skin because the brush basically does its own work. Let's see if it removes my eyebrows. If it gets rid of my eyebrows, then this shit's legit. Ooh, it's like a nice little massager. That's exactly what it's called, actually. Let me use the other speed too, see how that feels. I forgot it has more than one speed. Okay. I actually like the second speed better than the first. All right, we're gonna stop it now. Look at all that makeup that I literally like took out. That's nasty. All right, for the exfoliator that I will be using, this is my holy grail. This is the Murad Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish Exfoliant. I love this jam. I'm also going to do the same thing and apply it right here on the brush. I do always use a decent amount of exfoliator because, I mean, I love that thing. It does wonders to my skin. So I actually want to spread it like this because I want it to be completely even. All right, use the first setting like I did on the other one. Ooh, this one's like really deep in there. Oh, I like this one. Oh, that feels so good. That is literally like really getting in there. It's like water coming down my mouth. All right, this one's actually my favorite. God knows why, because, you know, exfoliating my face is the best thing in the whole entire planet. We are almost done using this one. I really like this one. I don't even have to use like the second speed. The first speed is more than enough. All right, we're removing this one now, and we're gonna go in with the buffer. I don't know why I call it the buffer. I don't even know if it's called the buffer. Oh, you're actually supposed to like place it and then push it down and lock it in place. Girlfriend, I've been using this thing wrong. See? See why we gotta do this a few times? Now I'm gonna grab a little bit more of facial cleanser. I wanna see what this one does. Sorry, my nose is itchy. This one's nice. This is like the shine, you know, when you go get like your mani and pedi done. That shine that they put like once your nails are completely done. It's like that finish look. I like the second speed on this one. So it looks like I like the second speeds on the soft one and the buffer, but the first speed on the exfoliator, which I'm not surprised. And yes guys, so I am back. I am very happy with the way that my face looks and the way that it feels. It did get rid of all of that makeup, which is pretty neat. So I basically put it to like the ultimate test. I did not wipe off my makeup with any makeup remover or any makeup wipes, which you guys saw. I did it all for you guys. I did it for the tube, you know? So I'm actually very impressed with the exfoliating brush head. And it's kind of funny how I didn't realize that I had to lock it in place and push it. But I mean, like, you live and you learn, right? So the exfoliating brush head was my number one. I really like that one. And the ultra soft brush head, I do like that one. I still got to give it a little bit of more chances. And I really don't know what I'm going to do with the sponge brush head, the natural one, the little buffer one. I really don't know if I'm going to ever even going to use it again. But who knows? I'll figure out what to do with it. I'm really happy that this only retails for $19.99. You can find it on Amazon. And it also comes with a USB cord. You can charge it. No batteries. Woohoo! And I guess you can go ahead and put it in your travel bag. Depends what kind of travel bag you have. If you know, like, if you're balling on a budget like me all the time and you bring like the little travel bags this big, then that shit ain't coming with you. But sometimes you ball it on a bigger budget and then you bring the big makeup bag. Put that bitch in there. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time your girl uploads, you guys are notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.